Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham says there are enough oil stored in the oil depot. Urges people not to panic. Kokomi Assistant Coordinator Kate Athauba termed N. Biren claiming to lay down his life for state integrity as unreasonable. Alert protest meets carried out at various parts of valley regions under Kokomi against disintegration of Manipur by finalization of Indo-Naga peace talks. And Industry Minister Biswajit expresses disappointment that restraint by people on developmental projects by government has affected the economic condition of the state. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham said that there are enough oils stored in the oil depot and urged people to stay calm. Lauding people of Manipur for their self-sacrificing spirit to protect the integrity of the state, he asserted that no external force can disintegrate Manipur if we stand united against them. Minister Sham was speaking at the inauguration of newly constructed badminton turf court at Chajing Awang Laikai today. Speaking at the inaugural event held at Chajing Awang Community Hall today, Minister Sham said that limited time period in banking process owing to cease work strike carried out on October 31st and November 1st and the Kud festival has hindered the transportation of oils leading to minimum distribution of petrol in oil pumps. He urged people to stop spreading hoax news which might lead to communal riot.
प्रजासिंसिना थाउस लेबा फंगरोदि मतागुम हेक्ट चंगलगा थाउस क्यूद लेपगा हेक्ट वार की टाइप तवे अदो आइना हाइनिंगिदि अखोई थाउ लेरिबा आइना थाउ दरकार लेत्रगदि थाउ लेबिगनोबा थाउ लेबा दरकार लेदु नाहाकी शॉर्टेज लेबदु अदि थाउ दु लेजेजनोबा आइगी फंगौरगा लोइरे हेक्ट फंगरोदि मतागुम तवबसे मच्चिगी हाइनबी चनबीसे अखोई मणिपुर की प्रजासिन होंदोपगी तंगाई फदब लेब अदु नाहाकी पुंग अहुंगी मतुंगदा अखोई अकन इंस्ट्रक्शन पिरगा मणिपुर की प्रजासिन थाउ फंगरोई अदुना वाले हाइबा मतमदा पोट इलेक्शन की हाइनबीसे मसी वखलोन से ताबनेना लौदे अयाम तिंबिरिबा सभाना अयाम खंबिरंगनी मतम खरगी ममांगदा मणिपुर दा थुम फंगरोइना थुम बेग बेग इलेक्शन नबदो खंबिरंगनी ने सी अफब नते हाइबदी आइगी दरकार ओइबदुदा लौनना बहनबा आइगी दरकार की वामदा पोट लौक्सन बगी वखल
Alert protest meets were carried out at various parts of the state under the initiative of Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Kokomi, against disintegration of Manipur by the final agreement of Indo-Naga peace talks. Kokomi Assistant Coordinator K.H. Athauba expressed suspicions if emergency is being imposed in the state without announcing publicly to the people as additional central forces are deployed in Manipur. He further warned of intense agitations by people of Manipur if the state government fail to clarify the reason for deployment of central forces in the state at the earliest. He was speaking during an alert protest meet carried out at Keshamthong Irom Pukri Mapal under the banner of Kokomi today. Club volunteers and women folks of Keshamthong Maning Irom Pukri Mapal organized the alert protest meet. Speaking further, K.H. Athauba termed Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren claiming to lay down his life if the finalization of the Indo-Naga peace talks harmed the territorial integrity of the state as an unreasonable statement. He asserted that as a leader, N. Biren must put all-out efforts to save the territorial integrity of the state. Maintaining that various Naga organizations and church leaders has already expressed appreciation over the concluded peace talks on October 31st, K.H. Athauba expressed disappointment over the statement of the state government and the central government that stakeholders will be consulted before inking the final agreement.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯀꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯇ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ MLA ꯍꯨꯝꯐꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯀꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯟꯊꯣꯛꯇꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯇ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 10ꯅꯤꯃꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯔꯦꯟꯖꯃꯦꯟꯠ हाईली एक्स्ट्रा मिलिटराइजेशन की अखोई कैंपेन चंगलबसे मरम इचा इशूसिंग इसा याउना इमा इबेलसिंग अहलमनसिंग लोइना किनरे अखोई एयरपोर्ट फाइटर जेट खामगा थंबगी वाहन थोकरिनो अखोई लेबाक असिबु हॉस्टाइल एनिमी टेरिटोरी रो मिलिटरी थ्रेट अमा अखोई तौरिबसे मसिना अखोई पीरिबा मेसेज मसिदा एक्सेप्ट तौरिबा अयाबा पिथोइबा अखोई गवर्नमेंट असिगी माइंडसेट लेजि करिनो मसि उबदा अखोई दुकुमेटिक पेंदे.
Attending the press meet, Secretary of Kaishamthong Irom Pukri Mapal Meira Paibi Oinam Ashangbi extended support to all the initiatives of Kokomi. Urging government to act as per the interests of people, she expressed to stand for the territorial integrity of Manipur. Ashangbi also demanded Chief Minister Nongthoma Miren to resign from his post if he won't be able to fulfill the wishes of people.
Nagagi Piran Pambiba, Nagalim Sembada support over Adugumlaba, Muisingado, Nagaland the Chapigo, Makoigisu, Makogi Tanpam Topado, Nagaland the Chalaga Tanbiro, Nagaland the Chalaga Moigi Pirangi, Nungai, but the Pongoro, Manipur Tugabearo, Nagas and Manipur Tugar, Pataragadi, Mangzin Tana, Equina, Imalabaki, the Tawai Tagani, Aduna, Manipur Gamenasu, Nagaga Maitega, Hanalo, Hypertargadi, Honorable CM. Birena Manipur kai na bawang anga dabani mahang na Manipur miyam da khoisaung han bataragadi mahak chief minister oiba matik chade khudakta mahak Manipur gi chief minister gi phamda gi resign to gadabane anau ba chief minister ama praja miyam na khallaga khoi sem gadabane haiba kholaw ba se mayangi mafamda thamjari.
Members of Thangmeiban Improvement Club, TIC, along with residents of Thangmeiban Awang Laikai, carried out a public alert meet under the initiative of Kokomi against threat to Manipur by the final agreement of Indo-Naga peace talks at Thangmeiban Lilashing Khongnang Makhong today. Many people of the area took part in the meet. All Manipur mini drinking water tankers AMMDWT also carried out a alert protest rally today under Kokomi to disclose the details of the Indo-Naga peace talks. The rally started from Kurai Salang Bridge and went through various parts of Imphal West and Imphal East and concluded at the initial point. Various slogans were chanted in the rally. One protester warned of intense hesitation if the Indo-Naga peace talks ever harm the territorial integrity of Manipur. AMMDWT also extended their support in every initiatives of Kokomi.
Karigumba koi Bharat Sarkar amadi Sena Emna yasinabadagi iramda Manipur asibu mase tana kairakpa taragadi akoi Kokomina lorokpa tawdang khudimak akoi isasu amadi akoi singgari chaliba pumnama akoi support tawgani Naga peace talk amadi India ga menga peace talk tawbu matamda Manipur gi khaise kai ga nikai ro haibagi exactly confirm oiba wai mata Bharat Sarkar ri phongdok piraktaba amadi akoi tasengna Manipur se kahen janingdaba Manipur gi khai sokbagi agreement yaw maram oiraga kaigumba agreement duna Manipur solokpa taragadi akoi maduda solokpa kaita khudimak
Alert meets were also carried out at Andro Machen Pat Market, Kurai Salangthong, Thiam Konjil Market in Imphal East under the banner of Kokomi today. Attendees chanted various slogans against any threat to Manipur by the final agreement of Indo-Naga peace talks. Residents of Sangaitel also staged a public alert meet demanding disclosure of the final agreement of the peace talk at Sangaitel Road today. LYDC Lukar along with KYDC Kiam, HYDC Kairel and LAC Laitong organized a protest meet. Protesters chanted various slogans demanding to protect the integrity of the state. Various Tata Magic passenger vehicles carried out a protest rally against any threat to territorial integrity of Manipur with the finalization of Indo-Naga peace talks at Bishnupur district today. Around 50 Tata Magic vehicles took part in the rally organized by Bishnupur to Imphal Tata Magic Van Owner Driver Association along with Bishnupur Forest Gate Tata Association. The rally commenced from Bishnupur Awang JB School and concluded at Nambol Chingmang. Members of all Kiamgai Nupi Chaukhat Thaurang Lub along with KYPC, Kiamgai Haibong Makong staged a public alert meet at Kiamgai Haibong Makong today. Attendees chanted various slogans demanding to protect the territorial integrity of Manipur at the protest meet. Members of Ayokpa Kabuikul Women's Society along with Kaino Apunba Nupi Lub also carried out a public alert meet at Kaino Market in Bishnupur district today. Attendees chanted various slogans demanding to protect the territorial integrity of the state. Taking part in the meet, Secretary of Ayokpa Kabuikul Women's Society, Zarina Golmay, urged the authorities concerned not to disintegrate the cordial relationship among the various communities of the state. Members of Wangu Sabal Development Organization along with Wangu Maning Sabal Mairapai Bilub carried out a public alert meet demanding disclosure of the final agreement of the peace talks at Wangu Maning Sabal Community Hall in Kumbi today. Leaders of Kokomi and many people of the area took part in the meet. People of Meitei, Tangkhul, Maring and Chiru community carried out alert protest meets at Thiam Kongjil today not to harm the territorial integrity of Manipur by the finalization of Indo-Naga peace talks. Residents of Thiam Kongjil, Saban Tangkhul, Waitho Chiru and Funal Maring carried out protest meets under the banner of Coordinating Committee Manipur Integration Kokomi. Speaking to media, General Secretary of Thiam Kongjil SWCA Club cum Saman Tangkhul Village Secretary Ms. Angam Tangkhul said that the framework agreement cannot break the unity and integrity of the state. She asserted that the people residing around Thiam Kongjil have been living in peace and unity since time immemorial and they have warmly welcomed the conclusion of the agreement. However, the villagers are all set to extend support to the initiatives of Kokomi if the conclusion ever harms the territorial integrity of the state. Meanwhile, members of various rock bands of Manipur and Manipuri Matam Ishei Kanglob Amek also carried out alert protest meet at Yashkul Moirangkom. Kokomi members also attended the protest meet.
Iramdam Irekai Chwai Khunda Minariba, Waithok Siru, Saman Tangkhul, Funan Maring, Yam Konjin, Sajin Plug, Hariba, Kujasing as in a Punjan Zaraga, Akoi Paipo Haktiki, Akoi Amatoina, Punjan Laga, Nusichana Laminazarapani, Asugumba, Santiki Gamin, of Indiaga, NSNM, Santiwari, Sanabasida, Koi any Tonga, Rizalama Lakota, Akoi Matuki Mayokta, Hibati, Territorial Integrity, Mayokta, Kailakpa, Integrity Kain and Tilakpa, Amadi, Akoi Manipur. Upon the Satam the Singer Kokum Mayupuna, Leminaduna, Mayong in a sea Hiba Atuki Pandam, the Koi Hiriba, Wakan Panjabani.
Sahi Satriki Valdi Punda Leminar Pani, Masita Siba of the Seasphere, the one Kaminarpa, Adumba, Lakaini, Masiba of the Akwe, Leprolai, Masika Hariba, Opambasida, Kargamba, Manipurgi, Ladiba, Nusindaraba, Satamse, Kaibatar Labadi, Akwanamuda, the middle of Tupangamoy.
Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Yumnam Khemchand said that vacant agricultural fields after the harvesting season indicates the idleness of our farmers. He was speaking at the product launch of Sayon Industries Private Limited at Classic Grande in Chingmeirom today. Speaker Yumnam Khemchand launched products made from citronella and lemongrass like air freshener, dishwashing liquid, deodorant, including vehicle tracking device in the event.
Manipur ki lady walo uyaba 90% of the land agriculture land si amutang crop taraga tha tarini para madi tarale sinadana except kaksing ki jaga sing madi mai nadi ki jaga khana natana labu kudi mangsi rutale koi Punjab ki Haryana ki then Uttar Pradesh ki sahi amada tha para nung sudaba lamda crops ahum lak tobunga maga aikoina amakak tobada amakak toraga sahi chupa hundokna thamisi masi hoi tanbagi symbol in thamjani.
Attending the program, Commerce and Industry Minister Thongam Biswaji said that Manipur is full of untapped resources. He expressed disappointment that restraint by people on various developmental projects by government has affected the economic condition of the state. Appreciating the initiatives of Sayon Industries Private Limited, he wished the industry to serve people for a long time.
Tabak suuna nama kita terkena singgung innovatif mereka buat si sarkar dia aku di istimewa lah, ini terkena sarkar ada lagi bawa polisi, ini terkena sarkar ada lagi foto, aku ni facilitate tahu tahu kata dia, aku ni orang bawa kerja tahu nanti. Tahu tu pun masih ada kana, pilih batu mana tahu ni iba, aku di tabak sing tu dah, aku ni kamai tahu kan dah, masih jalan kita tu masih kamai tu successfully jalan kan dah, aku di produksi kamu kamai tahu tu thola ko matam dana ko na kamai share to ko matam da karam platform da ko kada ke high sarkar gi mathau ko na ko to ro la ai ko si adana ko gi lai bai always high si chana ko ro amaro ro hana ki plastic kar de ta hafte lage gi yor ba maduna ko locally chatkane ba maduna sustainable ho ro ba adana ko company mulle na chakri je fact adana ko port to bi matam da ko gi value system yaw bi ba ada value system yaw da kadi ko si po chi poi ho.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on exclusive report on centenarian celebration of Toijam Ningol Takhelambam Ongbi Damayanti. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News on Impact TV. The number of people reaching their 100th birthday has been climbing, but it is still rare to reach the century mark. Family members of Toijam Ningol Takhelambam Ongbi Damayanti celebrated the much-deserving 100th birthday celebration today. Impact News reporter Bhakta Taurangam and camera person Yohen Arambam brings you an exclusive report in this regard.
Toijam Ningol Takhelambam Ongbi Damayanti, born on 3rd of November 1919, has completed 100 years of existence today. Family members of centenarian Damayanti celebrated her 100th birthday at Kongbakhetri today. Sharing her secrets of a long life, Damayanti said that being polite and well-mannered leads to a lengthy life.
Si ba jadi no mana terus no mati ko, ay po adi sila tu bani, atau berapa? Si po isi sila ba po ini? Ano na ay si, oh isi ni yung tu ama isi kita orang dikau, ikan dah kan jauh. Karena aku mbak, ahai lama, sorok tu tulen lagi, singkir lega, doktor pupai ada pupai lamo, ya ada kan nama yung tu ya ada kan nama yung tu tinggi lamo, aduh di no dah nama lepas kau. Sorry, I'm not going to do over it. I don't know, so it's not. Why that? I took it like it.
Toijam Ningol Takhelambam Ongbi Damayanti is the wife of late Takhelambam Novakumar from Kongbakuno in Thongju constituency. She is the mother of one son named Dolendro and a daughter named Momond. Morangthem Ningol Sumati married with Takhelambam Dolendro and has one daughter and three sons. After the demise of the Kelambam Dolindro, the Kelambam Daminti and her 72 years old daughter-in-law Sumati has been taking care of the family. 100 years old Daminti is still fit and fine without any health issues. Expressing her view, Daminti said that we as a Meitei women must respect our elders, possess good manners and be careful of our dressing style.
Nupi wa begi panel shalhaningi, pi vajaba yelhaningi, satna di khong tonghaningi, adugo hujigi mathong marong khong deba sumaina tawo khong to tonghaningi. Kitang tawo da makhong ti ka do riboni ni bunga. Thaina ge lisati yadare, khong tonghamde, garin to tonghamde, ahana khurum tonghamni. Hujigi khong tonge, chentan tonge, loin tonge, adugi lisato adudi tawjo, do lisatna ta pasalhaningi. Abona alamana salamasi ai khoi khara lo honini adu natabada noina haibadi khangde khodi hujikan chatni bini haibasi bunga abu yaninti.
Takilambam Daminti is able to tell various stories she has experienced in her 100 years, including many stories of historical incidents of the state and her personal experiences of Japan War to her grandchildren. Daminti's daughter-in-law, Takilambam Sumati, asserted that her mother-in-law is fit and healthy as ever. She wished her mother-in-law for a long, healthy, happy and illness-free life.
Mi mapaleba Shanupa uji yai malay share Sigi Masanupa Hanjan Nupi Tire Chanupa yai masen Pri Masa Maripo Inupa Ani Nupi and Nipokuni Mat Ishunupi Atum Hadak Lay Hidre and the Huji Ishunupi Amaga Ishanupa Amasanupa Ishunupa Aniga lady Aduna Masanupa Hanjan Nupi Tire and the Masanupa Hanjigima Nupi lady Masa Hujik for Ichini Aduna Huji Akoi Mungi Mi Mapalay. Sabada Chima Sabada Yadi, Pachulate, Maku Nawi, Johide, Kari Makuchi, Joy, Karigumbi, my Demauze, Dum Chapasudum Kale. Among one the gay any hen and I. Ma, the my must have another late treva. Although Karakuina lady, drawing Kale.
With inputs from Impact News reporter Vaktat Arambam and camera person Johan Arambam, this is Kanal Sambanduram for Impact News. Kumba Ketulekay, Fault.
Well, that was a wonderful package. Well done, Bhagdat Arambam and camera person Arambam Johan. Now moving on with the news. 3 BSF personnel were injured during a suspected remote control IED blast around 11:40 p.m. at Telepati on the Porompat police station in Imphal East district yesterday. The injured personnel are 54 years old ASI Lal Kumar, son of Antram, 30 years old Constable Koram Mahindra, son of Salnir, and 23 years old Constable Santaram, late of Jasurani of 128th Battalion of Agartala BSF. According to Impact News sources, the incident occurred during the Ganga Puja festival while the BSF personnel were on patrol. A dispute also occurred between the people offering puja and another group of people before the incident. Police calmed the situation and the bomb blasted 2 minutes later. The injured personnel were rushed to Jennings Hospital for treatment. Details of the bomb blast still remains unknown. Residents of Telepati condemned the incident, which happened during their religious ceremony. They further urged authorities concerned not to carry out such incidents in future. Porompat police station has registered a case and investigations are underway.
Pung Taramathoi Makai Muktaramani. Sida Chauna Makon Kanna Matolakpa. Tolakpasida Adu Manak to the security personnel Ahumari Lerame, Adu Anium Karasoga, Gen Hospital like Canary. Adu Puja Maraksida Sumai bomb blast Matorisi, Okana Kara, Nuaita Pungdoi. Security is okay, Chedi Tajan Bane, security Karabudilla Ami, local police Karalerami, okay, side of BDF Tavasu Karale, BSF security lefts so high Gadra, lefts Karadile Maraksida. Okana application Tabas a Puja Maraksida, see the Okana security Fazana PBO, I will speak of see the Sutarame, and my team of money delayame. The Makata Nakarasu, local security Karatam Tamnavakai, Pudam Raksi, the Karacheks in Toranguinago, Ratobia in Akai police, the Sogana some hiding.
Members of Vaishya Youth Club VYC today carried out a protest demonstration against a bomb blast by unknown miscreants at Telepati under Porompat police station in Imphal East district last midnight. Taking part in the protest, one protester strongly condemned the act and demanded public clarification about the incident at the earliest. He urged the state government to look into the matter and book the culprits involved in the incident without further delay.
बीएसएफ के 3 जवान घायल हो गए हैं, जो इसके लिए हम लोग बहुत दुखी हैं और ये बम ब्लास्ट किसने किया अभी तक कोई क्लेम नहीं आया, किस कारण किया ये हमें सूचना मिलना चाहिए और हमारे मणिपुर सरकार को भी इसको छानबीन करना जरूरी है।
Security has been beefed up in the state in the wake of yesterday's bomb blast at Telepati under Porumpat police station. As a part of the security measures, a team led by Additional SP Operation Imphal West Police, DH Krishna Tombe, carried out cordon and search operations at Soibam Laikai from 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. today. The team, including Commando Officer in charge Y. Sakti Sen, conducted individual verification of residents from around 30 houses of the locality during the drive. 78-year-old Niang Dong from National Game Village has not returned home since October 31st. She has an oval face with fair complexion and was seen wearing a mixed-colored T-shirt and a black fanic. Officer in charge of Lamphal Police Station notified to contact the station or her son, Palmilian, if anybody comes across Niang Dong. A team of Bisnupur Commando apprehended an individual along with 6 kgs of opium from Trong Laubi, Maning Laikai around 12:10 last night. The individual is identified as 52 years old Tonglung Kipgen, son of late Thangkolen Kipgen from Molfai Tampak village. The person was handed over to Moirang Police Station for further investigation. An awareness program on negative impacts of drug abuse concluded at Manipur Police Training College MPTC in Pangai today. Assistant Director of MPTC, A.K. Jalajit, was the coordinator of the event. NABSPW Basu stressed on addiction and negative impacts of intoxicant abuse at the event. Altogether, 773 trainees took part in the program. Principal of Kindergarten Montessori School at Sagolban Takiel Kolom Laikai, Longjam Daneshwar, has achieved the prestigious award for excellence in education in the first Industry Leadership Conclave and Awards 2019. Daneshwar was conferred upon the award during an event at Hotel Green Park in Chennai today. Patriotic Writers Forum Guwahati branch Assam organized Ningol Chakova Festival at Hotel Kalpa, Guwahati under the guidance of Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur. Women from Guwahati, Shillong, Hojai, Kasar and Manipur attended the event by wearing traditional attires. Handlooms and Textile Minister Thongam Biswajit stressed the need to keep the environment clean for a developed state. He was speaking on the sidelines of a cleanliness drive at Imphal West DC Office Junction in Naranthong Road today. Organizing Committee of Manipur International Textile Expo Manitex held a drive in view of the second edition of Manitex 2019, which aimed to promote and preserve the women weavers of the state, organized by Directorate of Handlooms and Textile, Government of Manipur from November 5th to 14. Deputy Commissioner of Imphal West District, Nauren Praveen, also took part in the drive. Minister Biswajit urged everyone for their cooperation in keeping the surroundings neat and clean. That altogether 12 foreign countries and representatives from 56 places of India will take part in the expo.
इरमदमस्ते लेरिबा अखोगी फिसाबिजिंग अदुगा सपोर्ट तौगदोरिबा अखोगी असोमदा लेरिबा एनजीओ सिंग पुनमक समनरे हरकांदा अखोइना लेबाक अमा अफबमा सेमकलकपा हाइबसि लुबनानबा अदुगा अखोगी लेरिबा फिजेल चक्चा अदुगा पुनमक सिंगसि लोनमक चांगी अदुना मसि अखोई लेरिबा फिल्मगी ओइरो नद्रगा फैशनगी ओइरो तोवान तोवान मियोय खुदिमकसि अखोइना न्यू इंडिया अमा सेमको मतमदा नहारोन सिंगकी अदुगा तोवान तोवान सेक्शन खुदिमककी इन्वॉल्वमेंटसि अखोई लेमिनरे हरकांदा कोऑपरेशन अमगा अमगा पिनरे हरकांदा पुनमकना होनमिनरगा अफबा लेबा अमा सेमको अमदि अफबा नेशन ꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯨꯕ ꯅꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯖꯤꯡꯗ ꯆꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯇꯦꯛꯁꯀꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯀꯜ ꯔꯦꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ.
Sportsperson and official team who will represent Manipur at 21st All India Tennis Volleyball Championship left Imphal today. The championship will be held at Vadodara in Gujarat from November 8 to 10. President of All Manipur Tennis Volleyball Association, Sanaujam Rebel, flagged off the team from the office of the association. Manager W. Santa Meitei and coach Laishram Ajit Kumar will guide the Manipuri team comprising of 10 sportspersons. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham says there are enough oils stored in the oil depot. Urges people not to panic. Kokomi Assistant Coordinator K. Chathauba terms MB Rain claiming to lay down his life for state's integrity as unreasonable. Alert protest meets carried out at various parts of valley regions under Kokomi against disintegration of Manipur by finalization of Indo-Naga peace talks. And Industry Minister Biswajit expressed his disappointment that restraint by people on developmental projects by government has affected the economic conditions of the state.